When fitting an oil ring, its manufacturing mark should face upward. Assemble the coil so that the coil joint faces the opposite side of the ring open end. Now attach them. When assembling a piston and connecting rod, match the embossed surface on the lower part of the connecting rod to the F mark on the piston's combustion surface. Insert the piston pin. Now insert the piston pin retaining ring into the groove. Apply oil to the piston rings, making sure that the open ends are staggered by 90 degrees and are not in alignment. Place the piston insertion frame into the upper part of the cylinder liner. Apply oil to the cylinder liner. Move the crank pin to the lower dead point. Slowly insert the piston into the cylinder liner. Bring it down gradually. While joining the large end board to the connection rod lever, also join the knob. Spray the mating surfaces of the connection rod connection bolts with Molykote and attach them according to their identification numbers. Tighten the connection bolts at an angle to mark B, the same way the crank pin bolts are tightened. Check thoroughly for lateral movement before turning them till they stop.